Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Alright.
I'm planning on doubling the bank before sundown. We're gonna
Your battery bank?
Yeah, I'm running 4 banks right now, and it just I had to cut back for a second because my voltage was below 12. And I was like,
Oh yeah,
hold on.
yeah.
But yeah,
Nice. What is your tuning on these?
45 hertz.
45 hertz. Okay.
Yeah.
How low are you playing down to now?
28, 29 sounds really good. It gets
Okay.
real windy.
Yep.
26, it's just
Yep.
it falls.
Yes, sir.
I seem to be loudest between 40 and 45 though.
Okay. All right.
But yeah, 32 really, like this windshield, I'm kind of wondering.
Yeah, it's starting to flex a lot.
I'm kind of wondering if it's gonna go.
Yep. And this is 15s, 4 ZV5.
Yep.
Yep. And then what amps?
Right now it's the Evo X 12 cage.
Evo. Okay. Can I go look at that?
Hopefully by the sundown show though, we'll switch them out to the Salt 4Ks.
Okay.
I'm gonna run 4 of them.
Yes, sir.
At half on.
All right. Thank you. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we just got of his system. I went ahead and put a previous video link in the description when he had his single subwoofer. This was the thumbnail. He had a single subwoofer T-line box in a really big box in this same vehicle, and he upgraded. So go ahead and check that out. Comment if you haven't already. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system, as well as give him a like. Really like the way he has his circular port. Most people would have a slot port here for the 4th order, but this is a circular port. A lot of wood stacked fab to make this port work the way it is. And this is a 4th order enclosure, solid bracing inside. With the subwoofers inverted, there is a sealed section box behind these 4 15-inch subs as well. And he's running this on 2 12,000 watt amplifiers, the sound digitals. All the details about everything in the system, check out the links in the description as well. And the way he has these amplifiers mounted are not directly on the back of the panel baffle of the subwoofer box. It's actually brackets mounted, and it makes it look like these amplifiers are in free air standing. So really unique style to that. And he was also having some lithium issues, or voltage issues as I should say, where his lithium bank was having problems or his alternator was having problems. You'll see that when we get to the demo. So we're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. Subscribe if you haven't for daily cardio videos coming your way every single day. We are having this video from back in 2021. We had mask mandated. We don't wear them today, obviously. Enjoy. Like it.
your demo, man. Wow. Have a good day. Appreciate you coming.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.